How to log into Rabo Bank account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box, type in Rabo Bank login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, rabobank.nl, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. Firstly, go ahead and type in your account number, then type in the card number. Then you can check in for the option of remember if you want to save your login details. Then type in your login code over here. After you provide all the details, you can click on the option of login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Or also you can use the QR code to log in. If you want to do so, you can click on this option. Likewise, you can also use the random reader comfort to log in. If you want to do so, click on this option and then go through the process. Well, this is how you can easily log into Rabo Bank account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.